Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre and I'm here with a brand new card today. This is the card that we're going to be making. It uses the expression best wishes from all of us from the Itty Bitty greeting set. This is a great set to have for all kinds of greetings for your cards. If you're ever looking for something, just a little note to put on there or whatever. I got it because I was constantly looking for a different greeting, and this one really has a good variety. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is pick out our Knight of Navy cardstock, cut it in half for a standard card, and then we're going to emboss it at 4 1/4 so that we can fold it easily. But before we fold it, we're going to emboss it with a brand new embossing folder. This one is coming out in the holiday catalog. This is the Swirls and Curls Textured Impressions embossing folder. It's very, very cute. Hopefully you can see the texture on there. I can see using this for a lot of different cards. It's very cute. Okay, so we're going to just put this on half of the card, the front half. Okay, we'll get our big shot out here. We don't need the thin die adapter. We're going to put it in this way with one of the plates. Okay, and that didn't work at all. So let's try 2 plates. That feels much better. Okay. And there we go. Now it is upside down, so all we have to do is fold it the opposite way if we want that texture on top. I mean, this texture is great too. It's like a de-embossing. Beautiful. But we're going to fold it the opposite way so that we have got the raised impressions on there. Okay? And while we've got the sizzix out here, we're going to cut our stitched shape. The stitch shape framelets. And I believe we're going to do the second smallest. Yep. Second smallest circle. Get our thin die adapter back here. And a scratch piece of Whisper white cardstock. I'll just lay that on there. Run it through. And there we have our little stitch shape. Okay. Put this big shot away. Okay. Then we need our Garden Impressions DSP. This is 2 by 4 1/4 inch. And I love how it matches with the Knight of Navy. I'm going to just Use some snail on the back of this. Line it up. There we go. We're going to take one of our pearlized doilies. And our Take Your Pick tool, which is in the new holiday catalog, is great for poking out all those little bits. There we go. Put some snail on there. Get the doily on. And we need to stamp our expression. Again, you could really do any of the expressions on this card. The card is so versatile. I just liked this one. Use some Memento ink. Just stamp it right in the middle there. And use my Simply Chamois to clean off the stamp. I have to say I really love the Simply Chamois. I have not found it to be difficult to use at all. It cleans all the stamps and it's really nice. Okay, we'll put a little bit of more snail on the back of that. Stick that right in the center. And then finally we're going to take some of our rhinestone basic jewels and we'll grab our Take Your Pick tool again. And just I put 3 rhinestones on there. Here we go. And there's your card. Beautiful, everyday kind of sentiment. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to check out my blog for all the products that I used. And feel free to contact me if you don't have a demonstrator already and you'd like to see one of the catalogs. I'll be happy to send one out to you. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.